Hey y'all, lawbyreece back here with another video. It's going to be a short one here, guys. If you like this content, you want to support me in a big way, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, I am super interested in this young thug, Jeffrey, I think his name is Jeffrey Williams, trial. And we got a new filing in here, here on Thugger Daily. You can see about an hour ago. The DA's office also filed a response to Young Thug's motion seeking to disqualify prosecutors Adrienne Love and Simone Hilton from the case. And guys, we don't have the full motion yet, but this is something I'm going to be looking out for on come Monday. And tomorrow, I think I'm going to talk a little bit, guys, about the the latest filings in the Trump immunity case in New York, which I think is pretty interesting. So I'm going to have a long one tomorrow. All right, guys. But with that being said, guys, I wanted to update here. We don't have the full motion yet, but I wanted to get it out. We see here in the Superior Court of Fulton County, Georgia. This was filed July 26th. It was filed today at the very end of the day, so 6 p.m. filed as they come into the weekend, as lawyers so often do. State's response to defendant's motion to disqualify lead prosecutors. This is just the first page, guys. The state of Georgia, by and through Fannie T. Willis, District Attorney of the Atlanta Judicial Circuit, hereby responds in opposition to defendant Jeffrey Williams' motions to disqualify lead prosecutors Chief Deputy District Attorney Adrienne Love, CDDA Love, and Deputy District Attorney Simone Hilton, DDA, filed on July 10, 2024, and on July 18th, 2024. Despite the extraordinary nature of the request to disqualify the lead prosecutors in this case, defendant cites no facts and no law that authorize this honorable court to disqualify either CDDA Love or DDA Hilton or Hilton, I'm not sure. Accordingly, the state respectfully moves this honorable court to deny defendant's motion to disqualify the lead prosecutors. In support of this response in opposition to defendant's motions to disqualify, the state shows this honorable court the following. 1. Where defendant seeks to examine the prosecutors on matters concerning which there are other sources of evidence available to defendant, the laws of Georgia and the facts of this case mandate this court's denial of defendant's motion to disqualify. In support of his motions to disqualify the lead prosecutors, defendant asserts that, quote, Lawyer Love and Lawyer Hilton have made themselves critical witnesses in this case when CDDA Love engaged in text messages with a witness and when CDDA Love and DDA Hilton participated in a hearing in chambers with a witness and his lawyer regarding contempt proceedings against A. So I don't see that we don't have the full motion here yet, guys. I just want to give you my brief thoughts on this. So personally, I think that the motion to disqualify these two prosecutors is more likely than not going to be denied, as I do not see the court as I don't see it as very likely that the court would grant this motion. However, and this is just my opinion, guys, I think that this spin that they're putting on that ex parte meeting, that it was a quote hearing in chambers without defense counsel present, I just think that's outrageous. And personally, I think that this whole thing should be a mistrial with jeopardy attaching in favor of Young Thug and the defense. That's just my one man's opinion, one lawyer's opinion. I think that these two lead prosecutors text messaging with a witness, that doesn't seem quite right. And then a hearing in chambers with a witness and his lawyer, but no defense present. Guys, that just smells wrong. And, personally, I think that the motion to get rid of these two prosecutors, I think it should be granted. That's just my opinion. I don't think it will be granted, however. I see this is the sort of thing that I find to be very unlikely will be granted. But I think that it, should be granted, although I don't think it will. So, guys, in my next video, I want to go through this Trump filing here, People's Memorandum of Law in opposition to defendant's post-trial motion, guys, and this is on the Trump immunity lawsuit in New York, and I wanted to have a look through this. So that's probably going to come tomorrow or sometime soon. It's not going to come tonight. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty interested in following the Young Thug trial here. Also interested in the Trump immunity case and looking at the filings there and giving my commentary to the filings there. And that's what it's going to be, guys. I want to thank you guys for joining me. This is Law by Reese, bringing you more legal motions briefings, giving you my thoughts on things, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.